I found this at a garage sale, paid, I don't know, $5 for it, I think. And it's a machinist clamp. But it was in a box, a bunch of other junk, and I didn't really get a chance to look at it much. But if you, I don't know if you can see this, but this threaded bolt is bent, and this threaded bolt is bent. So I figure, oh, it's a simple process. I'll just get some longer or some new all thread and make a new parts out of it. The problem I had, the issue at this point, is this happens to be a very strange thread. It's like 7mm 0.7 pitch or something. I could not find any material online in grade 8 that matched this these threads in here. So I don't like metric that much anyway, but that's a whole different issue. So I'm going to change this, and what I did is I bought some 5/16 24 grade 8 all thread from McMaster. So it should be a simple matter, always say that before you start, of taking this, and I'm going to grind this off here and drill and tap this for 5/6 24. I'm going to grind this off and drill and tap this so I can stick this all thread into these parts. And then I have to change the thread in this from the 7mm to 5/16. So a fun little project for a rainy afternoon. So that's what I'll try. We'll see how it goes. Well, that was interesting. I went to my bandsaw and I just cut it off. That was soft as butter. That's they're probably, you know, grade 2 or even less bolt that this was made out of, steel that was never hardened or anything. So I'm just going to cut them both off in the bandsaw and then drill and tap those. So I've set this up so that my V-block is even with the edge of the vise. So once I find the center of this, I can just swap in the other one and do the same thing. So we'll just go over here and find the center. There we go. The other side, we just need to go half that distance. Okay, we're in the center. 0x, now we gotta do y. And that should be center. Okay. A little center drill here. Alright, I've set my drill stop here for 1/2 inch so I won't go all the way through this. So let's see about drilling it. This is really soft steel. It's like leaded steel. Pre-machining steel, amazing. Okay, this is running so slow that it will bog down the motor. Plus I have it marked how deep, so let's see if we can use the mill to tap this. Yeah. What I was afraid of. Okay. Those threads look pretty good. Okay, so this fits nice in there. There's a hole in here to put a little rod if you want to get it tightened. So what I'll do is I'll just run this thread up to the hole, and then I'll just use Loctite to lock it in there. So that'll work. Now let's do the other one. Okay, I noticed there's just a bit of a burr on the end of these where I threaded them, so I'm just going to touch it with a chamfering tool. Just a little bit. Do the other one. Okay, let's tap this hole and see how this all works. Okay, the project's complete. I've put new all thread in here. I got Loctite up in there. The old ones are here. I'm going to throw those away. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of bent, but it functions really nice now, really smooth, which it didn't before. So I'm happy with that. Now I got a little machinist clamp here that works nice.